Good morning, students. In previous lecture, we have done examples of exercise 7.2 and we have discussed the method integration by substitution method. Today we will discuss exercise 7.2. Few important questions we will discuss here. Exercise 7.2. Method which we are discussing today. Method is substitution method. Now let's do the questions. First we do the question number. Let's start question number first. First we come in a rhythm, then I think there is easy to do the questions. Integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to x. Now for this integration of this function, first we have to put let 1 plus x square is equal to t and differentiate it. This is 2x dx is equal to dt and the value of dx is equal to dt upon 2x. Now question becomes 2x upon, this is 1 plus x square is t. And what is the value of dx? That is dt upon 2x. Cancel it. It is now 1 upon t dt. As variable is t and we are integrating the function with respect to t. And 1 upon t integration of this is log of t plus constant. This is a mod sign because we can take the log of only positive values, positive real numbers. Question number second. Integration of log x whole square upon x with respect to x. Now here you know derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So let log x is equal to t and the derivative of log x is 1 upon x dx, that is dt, and dx is equal to x into dt. Now question becomes, you have to put here, that is I, integration. Now this becomes integration of log x is t. It means this becomes t square upon x and the value of dx is x into dt. Cancel it and you are getting derivative of t square dt. It comes out t cube upon 3 plus constant. In the previous question, I have not put the value of t. You have to put the value of t. I'm just going to put what was t, that is 1 plus x square plus constant here. What is the value of t? That is log of x whole cube upon 3 plus constant. This is the answer. Here, this is the answer of the first question. Okay. Now come to the next question number. Let's do question number third. Question number third is integration of 1 upon x plus x log x with respect to x. Now in this question, first you have to simplify or rearrange the statement. Take the common x in the denominator. You will get this one. Now you can put let 1 plus log x is equal to t. Derivative of 1 is 0. Log x derivative is 1 upon x. Dx is equal to dt. Now what is dx? That is dt into x. Now make the statement in the form of t. This is 1 upon x into 1 plus log x is equal to t. And what is the value of dx? That is x into dt. Cancel the x. You are getting integration of 1 upon t dt. What is the integration of 1 upon t? That is log of mod t plus constant. Now put the value of t. What is t? That is 1 plus log x plus constant. This is the answer of the question number 3rd. Now question number, let's do the question number 4th. Question number 4th. Question is integration of sin x into sine angle is cos x dx. Now here you have to just check it, the put cos x is equal to t. Let cos x is equal to t, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is equal to dt, and dx value is minus dt upon sin x. Now question becomes integration of sin x into sin cos x is t. Sin t, now value of dx is minus dt upon sin x. Now the sin x is cancelled by this sin x, minus sin t dt. The integration of sin t is, what is the integration of sin t? Minus cos t, minus is here, minus cos t plus cos of t plus constant. Now put the value of t. T is cos x plus constant, that is the answer. Now question number 5th question number. Question number 5th is integration of sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. Now this question can be done by 3 methods. Here you must know that the questions answer depend on the method which we choose. Sometimes question can be done by different methods. Here we can do this question by taking sin ax plus b as t, and its derivative is cos of ax plus b. If we take cos of ax plus t as t, its derivative is sin ax plus b. Minus sign will be there. You can do by taking this method, but answer, if you want the answer as in NCERT it is given, we have to do the question in a 3rd way. What is the way? You have to multiply and divide by 2. The statement becomes 1 by 2 sin ax plus b into cos ax plus b dx. Now as we know, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Same is here. So this can be written as sin 2ax plus b with respect to x. Now integrate it. You are getting the integration of sin. Before I integrate it, I have to just suppose it. That is 2 into ax plus b is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to x. What you will get? 2 as it is. A is there. That becomes dx, and 2b becomes, this is 2ax plus 2b. 2b is constant, so derivative is 0. This becomes this one. Now dx is equal to dt upon 2a. Now question is now sin, this is t, and dx is dt upon 2a. So 1 upon 4a into sin t integration with respect to t. What is the integration of sin t? That is minus cos t. It means for 1 upon 4a into minus cos t plus constant. Put the value of t here now. 1 upon 4a minus sign here. Cos of t means, that is, first write down 2. Ax plus b plus constant. This is the answer. This is a question number 5. You can do the question, this one, by taking as cos ax plus b is equal to t. Or you can take the question sin ax plus b as t. Both other two ways are also right. Now question number 6. Question number 6. That is integration of ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 dx. This is the integration. Now let ax plus b is equal to t. It becomes a dx is equal to dt, and the dx is equal to dt upon a. The question becomes t to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by a into dt. The question is 1 upon a integration of t to the power 1 by 2 dt. Now integrate it. It becomes t to the power 3 by 2 and divided by 3 by 2 plus constant. Put the value of t. This becomes 2 upon 3a. T is ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus constant. This will be the answer of question number 6. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7. Integrate the function x into under the root x plus 2 dx. In this question, we have to convert the question into standard form by using substitution. Now, first of all, let x plus 2 is equal to t. Okay. If it is t, then here is a requirement of the value of x. It means you must know the value of x, that is t minus 2. Now dx is equal to dt after differentiating the function. Now question becomes t minus 2 and root of t dx means that is dt. Question is this one. Now what you will do? You will do just first multiplying by root t. T by root t means power 1 plus 1 by 2. It becomes 3 by 2. And minus 2 t to the power 1 by 2. Now integrate the function. Separately integrate the function. What you will get? T to the power 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2. And divided by 5 by 2, 2 goes here. Minus 2 into t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2, and this becomes 3 into 2 plus constant. Put the value of t here now. What you will get? This becomes 2 by 5. T is x plus 2 to the power 5 by 2 minus 2 to the 4 by 3. T to the power, it means x plus 2 to the power 3 by 2 plus constant. This is the answer. Now come to the question number 8. Question number 8 is question number 8. Integrate I is equal to integration of the function, that is x under the root 1 plus 2x square. Now here I think I have to give hint to you for the few questions. You have to try your own because it's important. Question must be done by the students also. Here just I am just giving hint to the student and to the students only. Hint of this question is put 1 plus 2x square is equal to t and do the question. Question number 9, I will give you hint. Integrate the function 4x plus 2 under the root x square plus x plus 1. In this question, hint is put x square plus x plus 1 equal to t. let's okay, I'll just give you idea how to do the question. It becomes 2x plus 1 equal to dt, but here requirement is 4x plus 2. Here is it is dx. I have to write down dx also. Okay, 2x plus 1, but requirement is 4x plus 2. I think you can guess here, when I multiply by 2 this question from left and right both side, you're getting 4x plus 2. This is 1. That is same as it is given in the question. So the value of this, now I have just to give you idea. The question becomes dx is equal to 2 dt upon 4x plus 2. Now question become 4x plus 2, and this becomes root t, and the value of dx is 2 dt upon 4x plus 2. This cancelled by this. Now question becomes 2 integration of root t dt. I think you can do now. Do your own. Do your own now. Okay. Now come to the question number 10. I'm just giving hint to you. Try few questions your own. Question number 10. Here's the question number. Integrate the function, that is integration of 1 upon x minus root x. In this question, little bit practice is required to do such type of questions. Here you can write x as root x into root x minus root x as it is. Now this question become now easy. When you take common in denominator root x, 1 minus root x is left here. Now you can put the statement. I think I have done wrong. Okay, because this is root x and here is root x minus 1. Yes. Now you have to put, here's a hint. Put root x minus 1 is equal to t. Now you can do the question. Because this is a question like this, 1 upon root x, you can see question like this. Now you can do the question. Integrate the question by substituting root x minus 1 is equal to t. Now question number 11. In question number 11, integrate x upon under the root x plus 4 dx. Now what to do in this question? Hint is put x plus 4 equal to t and dx is equal to dt. From here you have to find out the value of x, because x is there. You have to put the value of x in the question, t minus 4. This is a basic part. Now you can proceed the question you're on. Question number 12. Integration of the function x to the power 3 minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 is x to the power 5 dx. Now this is a question where you have to first, just hint I have to give you. Let's simplify it first. You can write this x to the power 5 as x to the power 3 into x square. Now question becomes easy. Now you can put, now here is a hint, let x cube minus 1 equal to t. X cube minus 1 equal to t. Now you can do the question. Here is the statement. It becomes like this, and dx is equal to dt upon 3x square. Now you can proceed the question. Do your own. Okay. Now come to the question number. Here are total questions. Okay. Let's do question number 13. Question number 13. Integrate the function that is x square upon 2 plus 3x cube whole cube with respect to x. In this question, hint is put 2 plus 3x cube, this is cube, equal to t. And question becomes, this becomes 9x square dx is equal to dt, and you can put dx is equal to dt upon 9x square. Now you can do the question. Proceed your on. Now question number 14. In this question, hint is 1 upon x log of x to the power m. Very easy question. Put, it is a hint, put log x is equal to t, and 1 upon x dx is equal to dt, and dx is equal to x into dt. Proceed. You're on. Question number 15. Integration of x upon 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square dx. Here in the hint, put, these are the hints, put 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. It becomes minus 8x dx is equal to dt, and this implies dx is equal to dt upon minus 8x. Now you can proceed the question. Do your own. I have given hint of few questions, and few questions I have solved fully, and you have to complete the question up to 15th question. In next video, we will do further from question number 16. So complete question 1 to 15 of exercise 7.2. Thank you. Have a nice day.